Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria shrine of injustice and Christian genocide. Stay tuned.
That's the food. Don't touch me. I'm going, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said, don't touch me. Mad people. You don't know law. Show me where he says you can wear my right one like this. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are remoting you. You're writing rubbish. Don't go. Show me the law. One address. I feel it. You say you are giving the job for them. God will punish you now and forever. Rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask Kamotosho, where is the law? Where is the law?
A few minutes ago.
Well, I feel very bad. Not only me, I feel sad. My colleague is here. All of us, we feel very bad. It's a very bad day for judiciary. It's a very bad day for the criminal justice system in Nigeria. This is the first time in my entire life as a lawyer that I have seen a man being convicted for the mere words he uttered. Just like someone can say, don't be silly, and you say he committed an offense, and somebody say, just go and die, and you say he committed an offense. In law, we call those things mere puffery. They are harmless speeches, and you accuse a man of making broadcasts from a location somewhere around the world that he didn't name, and you could not tie any of those broadcasts directly to any criminal activity in Nigeria, and he stands convicted. That is very bad. So it kind of lends credence to this very narrative that the Igbo man faces another type of justice in Nigeria, other than from the one that is being faced by others.
Sorry to interject. Are you saying those words of incitement as found by the court were just commentary or buffers, as you rightly mentioned?
They are mere puffery. A lot of people make empty threats every day. You fight with a man or you fight with your fellow woman, and she says to you, okay, go and die, I'll come and kill you, this and that, don't be silly, accident, Amadi or let thunder fire you. Are you supposed to be convicted for that?
Okay, sir, so we are now at this point where the court has delivered its judgment. What is the next line of action? Although Mr. Kanu does not have a lawyer as he stands, because you all are his consultants, so what would you advise him to do? And despite the killings happening in the southern eastern part of Nigeria?
Well, we're heading to the Court of Appeal, but as a responsible citizen, I'll see this opportunity to call for calm. I don't want anybody to get so angry in the southeast that some violence will start occurring from here and there. Let everybody be calm. This situation can be controlled. We have the next court in the chain, which is the Court of Appeal, and we're heading to the Court of Appeal.
Okay. And how optimistic are you that the Court of Appeal would either upturn or uphold this judgment?
Can my colleague take that question?
Yes, please.
Sure, please.
Well, thank you very much. We are very optimistic because in the first place, from the analysis my Lord gave, you will find that my Lord was not able to pinpoint at any one single person who carried out any of the acts that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is said to have incited. You said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu incited killing. You didn't bring one single person who said, yes, I was the one who was incited. So, to me, I felt that it was the court giving evidence. I felt that it was the court giving evidence.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.